Thursday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. The forecast for Pittsburgh and surrounding counties. For today, considerable cloudiness. A chance of showers and thunderstorms this morning, then showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall this afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. South.
Thunderstorm warning!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Armstrong, and Indiana. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Jefferson County and west central Pennsylvania, east central Armstrong County and west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clarion County and west central Pennsylvania, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:27 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Bethlehem, or 8 miles east of Reimersburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Punxsutawney, New Bethlehem, Dayton, Somerville, Rossiter, Limestone, Hawthorne, Timlin, Werthville, Smicksburg, Anita, Mahoning Creek Lake. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.